So we should continue from here, right? We created all the entries required. So as for use case, we thought these entities would be enough. So for warehouse and user, we created this too. And to maintain product information, these tables are sufficient. I mean, for offers and coupons, we need to create some more. Yeah, we will create them as well. Okay. So, big, yeah. So I would like to ask you guys, you know how to create tables? Maybe. So
Yes.
quickly try this. Try to create a script for category, brands, items, and multimedia with the relationship. What are relationship you see here, right? Using these relationships, create a script and share it with you in the chat. Okay. Try it for next 5 minutes. Okay. Guys, did you try it? I don't see anything. Just create table script and just giving an example, okay? You might try this. Name description. Name var 2 of some size. And same way description. Okay. Now, when you want to create child table for this, right? Create table brands. Brand also has having ID and its number, brand name, brand description. Now, if you want to refer this category here as a foreign key, so one category can have many brands, right? So directly you can use this ID as a foreign key here. Something mentioned here. Category ID references this one category ID. So that it will be created as a foreign key. So this is for Oracle database. In MySQL, this data types will change. Okay, in place of varchar2, you may use varchar. In place of number, you may use int, something like that. So if you want to try, you may try here. Category table created, brand table created. Okay, both tables are created now here. Now, when I visit the category table, describe categories. So this is the table. ID is a primary key. Now, brands table if I say. Primary key, foreign key data type not showing. Okay, category ID anyway created. this must refers this one, which means when you insert something here, right? Let's say insert into categories. Let's say ID category ID and take one, and name is phone. Phone is a category and description. Something phones. This is about phones. Insert this. Insert in category values. So one record is inserted. Now if I try to insert data into brands, only phone I have here, right? If I try to insert something for a category which is not exist, I'm creating a brand. One brand record I'll create here. Insert into brand values, brand ID, something 123 brand ID, and brand name I'm giving here, something RBU, brand description about RBU. This RBU not belongs to phones, okay? Let's say this is belongs to some other products. Category ID, which is not there here, I'm giving 3, and I'm trying to insert. So this category ID, first ID of brand, second brand name, third brand description, fourth should be any existing category record or reference ID. Here if you have 1, 2, 3, you can use them, but I have only 1. When I use 3 here, you can see integrity constraint violation. Parent key not found. When I use this 3 here for category ID, what I'm saying, while inserting this record into brands, it will do the reference check into categories table, whether this ID is there or not. So ID 1 only there, 3 is not there. So integrity constraint violation error you are getting. Let's say if it is something Apple brand. So this phones category I wanted to use here. So if you put phones category 1 and if you try to insert, now this record is inserted because this category 1 is there. So this is how we can control whatever brands here are creating that must belongs to a category. Now we can have another brand 1 to 3, 1 to 4, something Samsung. Same category I can use. Now I have 2 brand records belongs to 4. So if you select now, right, you can see. Both are belongs to category 1. And you may check category 1. What is it? So this is how you can maintain one to many, one category, many brands. This ID, it is there for brands for any number of records. So that's what we say one to many. Here we are using not only for these 2 phones, right? Let's say there are 100 brands who are selling the phones. You may put 100 phones here, and the category would be same. And if you want to, sell televisions also, you may insert one more record, televisions, TVs. Then you may have for this television category a number of brands again. That's how you can maintain here. One category can belongs to many brands. Same way again, one brand belongs to many items. Same way, one item belongs to one multimedia record. Here, one-to-one strictly we need to maintain. So, you guys able to create the script for these tables? Do you guys try it? Similar script like create tables. Why I was asking to create this is, so if entities are ready, using ORM also we can generate these tables. ORM automatically generate so that you need not to create. But for most of the applications, right, generating these tables via ORM is not a recommended way. We should not use that ORM generated table structure. Tables always we need to create as a script, and this script we need to share it to next level environments also. Because not only running in your local, right, it should go to SAT, UAT, prod. Mostly in prod databases, they don't allow us to execute tables creation, DDL commands from application. They don't allow to avoid some security problems also, right? Via application, if they allow to create these tables, if any you know uh, scam, or if you try to execute scripts to create tables, your application may create tables. So to avoid that problems, mostly DDL commands will not be allowed from applications, like creating table, dropping table, such commands. So always we create the scripts and we execute it first in the application. You guys tried in the chat? Sharon, have you tried?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, little time I didn't hear because my kids was traveling. That's
Okay. Oh, fine. No issues. We will create them later.
what did you ask now? I didn't hear little 1 2 minutes. I didn't hear what you asked.
No problem. I was asking to create a script for these entities, a skill script.
No, I didn't try yesterday, sir.
No. Just now I asked to do that. Okay. File, format. There is an export. There's an export option, I believe. File. In other tools, there is a query generator also. When you do this selection and using right click, we may ask to generate a skill script from this. No option such. This is fine. Okay, let's finish the remaining two tables also. How many we have? Let me reload. Okay. So for coupons and offers also we can create table here. So let us create them to coupons. So coupon or offer both. Okay. Offer can have a coupon. So this offer belongs to a item offer ID, which is primary key, and offer name and on product, which product it is, product ID, which means item ID. So here we will use item ID as a foreign, and remaining columns as it is we can create here. When this expires, offer any expiry date, is active, created date, updated date, created by, created by. So one item will have a number of offers, right? So one offer may exist for so and so duration. Later that offer may revoke. If you visit the Zomato, you will see this offer, Zomato or Swiggy. They will apply offer and it will be continued for some time, and they will remove that offer and they will activate new offer. So they will put time frame for offers also. When there is no demand, they will add offers. When there is a huge demand, they will remove offers for food particularly. So same way for the products also, right? When you have good sales, you may not apply offer, but when you want to see good sales, when you don't have sales, then you will put offers. So each offer may have different types of coupons or coupon ID also. If you want to maintain here with this offer itself, you may allow to add one more column, coupon code. So while publishing it, you may publish your offers also. Along with this, if there is any offer, you may pull that information here, which is currently active, and you may publish it in website also while displaying your product. If it is having any actual prices and offer prices, offer percentage. If you see here, for offers particularly, they are giving percentage, original price, offer price. So offer percentage also adding here. and maximum eligibility. Maximum. So sometimes you may put offer 50%. Your product may be 1 lakh. Directly, if you give 50%, the 1 lakh will become 50,000. So if you want to limit up to only 5,000, like if you visit Amazon, they will say something offer 50%, but up to limit 5,000 only, or 4,000 only, 2,000 only, something they give. So in such scenarios, you need to limit that, so that maximum limit also you have. Okay. Finally, this is our overall entity structure. Okay. So the same thing we need to create in tables and use it. Okay. Let me rearrange them properly. Here, one to many relationship. Here also one to many, right? One to many. One category, many brands. One brand, many items. One item belongs to one multimedia reference. Of course, we will maintain multiple images. And one item, many offers. Okay, let me put this latest one. Okay. For this one, quickly we can create a application. Or that we will see maybe tomorrow session. I'll create one end-to-end application for this one. A quick reference for you. Okay. Later we need to do this as a microservice app. But just for a quick glance, I'll create an app and I'll show you. Then we'll keep it aside. We'll come to actual practices. We will learn Git, the remaining tools. We'll focus on it. Then we will focus on converting that app into microservices. Okay. So from tomorrow, regular session will start. Okay. You will receive a new link. So the coding sessions will be starting from tomorrow. Please get the drive link and this go to meeting link also. Okay. If you don't receive, let me know. I'll follow up and share it with you. Okay. demo sessions are completed by today, and actual sessions will start from tomorrow. Please get registered to get the link, okay? If you have any doubts anytime, you can reach out to.
Naveen, Sonal
Yeah.
here. I have a question. For the app about which you were saying just now, so we need to have any prerequisites on our laptop, like any download. We have to download any software, or you will tell us what to do it in tomorrow's session.
Let us create repositories from coding session onwards. I'll let you. So what
Okay.
tools you need. So
Okay.
as we all will participate, right? Earlier I used to have conference and all. There I used to add everyone. So this time also
Okay.
we'll create one account and I'll add everyone there. Like a real-time practice, right? One Jira
Yeah.
account will take. I will add everyone there and I'll create stories and assign.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more question I have, these entities. Actually, I missed couple of initial classes. So these entities are to develop these entities. It's a part of an architect's job or like a developer's job.
No, it's a developer job. Architect
Developer.
will not go. Entity is like how you are creating class. Classes will create by architect or you
Yeah.
developer, right? Architect will decide the solutioning. What he says
Okay.
is, this is the database that you need to use or the services you need to use. This is how you need to do the workflow. You need to have an Angular front end and you need to write middleware and your data should sit it into so-and-so database. And it's your responsibility to create tables and maintain structures.
Okay.
Your
Yeah.
lead responsibility. Architect will not involve into this ground level.
Okay. Fine. Yes. Understood. Thank you.
Naveen, I am not part of the WhatsApp group. Is there any group we are having for this
Yeah.
session?
So can you ping me
Yeah.
on my
I'll,
number?
I'll ping you in what? Yeah, I'll ping you in WhatsApp.
I shared my number. You can see in the chat. Please
Yeah.
ping me there. I will
Yeah.
add you in the group. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, please add me also.
I shared you link. You unable to join with that link?
No, I'm not unable to join with that link, sir. I
Group
actually
link
when
also
I
shared.
WhatsApp group link, with that link I am not able to join actually. It's not joining. It's showing some problem.
Acha. Okay, I will
Maybe
add manually.
maybe in the course I registered through my India number, but in the WhatsApp group my outside India number only. Maybe that's
No, that
maybe.
is purely our private group only. Nothing belongs
Okay,
to
sir.
your registration.
I
Yeah,
try to join with that link, but it
I
is
will add
not.
that. Yeah,
Okay.
yes. Okay, so yeah, we will be continuing actual sessions from tomorrow. Okay, so till now just we covered what is the use case that we are going to cover and what kind of tables required. Okay, from tomorrow actually we will involve into the uh, practices, which practice we will use and which tools we will use. We'll jump into them and as a through practice we will do all this. Okay, directly I don't want to jump into the code and do the coding here. I'll show you one end-to-end application quickly as one tool I shown you, right? There I'll generate and show it to you. That tool also will help you a lot if you are involving into microservice development. Nowadays I'm seeing, right, well, where people involving maybe in other technologies and even Spring also people spending a lot of time to create end-to-end service. There, uh, creating exception handlings or global exceptions and all the remaining part like controllers or service or repositories. It will take really some time, at least hours of time, but we can avoid that if we can use this tool. So I'll show you that tool and a quick application, and later we will jump into our part. Yeah. That's all for today. Okay, we'll catch up tomorrow, 7:30. Okay. Yeah. Till then, have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
And good night. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.